When you think of simple living, what comes to mind first? For me, it is about creating more through less. Less stress, fewer distractions, fewer burdens and obligations, more time, more space, more energy, more love, and more life. It is a way to take a step back and focus on what it is that really matters to you, things that light you up and make you happy. Minimalism and simple living have been a very big part of my life for the last 7 years and is one of the best changes I have ever made. Living that less is more kind of lifestyle allows me to experience so much more freedom and happiness and gratitude and adventure. And it's also why I love talking about these things on my channel. Today's video is a really special one because it's about a project that I've been working on really hard for the last 5 months. I just released Simple Happy Zen's first online course called In Love with Your Life, which is a 20-week online program to help you simplify your life and amplify your happiness. In Love with Your Life is meant to guide you towards more insight into what it is that makes you happy and how you can create your best life. You will learn to identify things that no longer serve you and how to let them go, and you will get a better understanding of how you can create more of what you love. The philosophy behind a simple life is not that you will have this perfect, tranquil life without complications where nothing ever goes wrong, but that you will develop the skills and inner wisdom to take charge when you feel overwhelmed, to clear the chaos, and to have a solid foundation to which you can always return. A simple life is one that aligns with your personal situation and your personality, and that is built on purpose, intention, happiness, and positivity. In Love with Your Life covers many different aspects of simplifying, such as simplifying your daily routines, relationships, goals and to-dos and commitments, simplifying your finances, your digital life, and even your diet. And I have included many tips that I've shared in my Simple Happy Zen videos, as well as many tips that I haven't shared anywhere else. Each week for 20 weeks, you will receive a new lesson from me that dives deeper into the things I post here on YouTube. And each lesson will consist of a written part, and there's also an audio file that comes with that for those who prefer listening over reading, and a set of worksheets with exercises. And these exercises are what will help you to simplify your life. And the questions are written in a very supportive way to guide you to find answers that apply to your personal situation and that work for you, because everyone is different and everyone's life is different. There are 93 guided exercises in this course with 320 thought-provoking questions to help you apply what you have learned directly into your own everyday life. And the worksheets are in PDF format, so you can choose to either print them out and fill them with pen. I have made them so that they don't require much ink when printed, or you can also choose to fill them digitally on any device, so whichever you prefer. And you will also receive an email from me every week to help keep you going as you move through the program. To sign up or for more info, simply click the link in the description or the top comment. The main difference between the In Love with Your Life course and my videos here on YouTube is that it offers more in-depth guidance and that it follows a very specific curriculum that takes you on a journey of self-discovery and helps you to make positive changes to your life that last. If watching my weekly videos here is enough for you, then that is perfectly fine, and I truly appreciate you for taking the time to watch my videos, to like and comment and subscribe and support the channel. And if you feel like you are ready to take that next step in growing your happiness through simplifying, then this course will be perfect for you. The In Love with Your Life course is divided into 5 parts, and each part focuses on its own aspect of simplifying. In part 1, which is called Tune In, you're going to learn to balance your energy, say no in a healthy way, write your own mission statement, and define personal policies. In part 2, you're going to simplify one big aspect of your life per week, such as simplifying commitments, routines, your finances, your to-dos, relationships, and your digital life. In part 3, you're going to focus more on minimalism, how to become a more conscious consumer, and you will learn about your dream space or dream home. In part 4, you're going to dive into how self-care can help you to simplify your life and boost your happiness. And we discuss self-care habits, improving sleep, asking for help, and becoming calmer through mindfulness. And in part 5, you're going to clear some of the mental clutter that can hold us back in life, such as letting go of limiting beliefs and practicing more gratitude and self-love. You're also going to write a plan for your future. This course is perfect for you if you feel overwhelmed at times and you want to change your life by clearing some of the chaos, or if you want a better understanding of what makes you happy and how you can create more of what you love in your life. Or if you already started simplifying your life but you don't really know how to take that next step, or if you simply just want more in-depth guidance than only watching YouTube videos. I also want to mention that this course is probably not a good fit for you if you want to focus solely on minimalism and decluttering your stuff, because this course focuses on simplifying your life and not just your home. Or if you are looking for a quick fix or a specific solution to a problem, because this course takes 20 weeks and it really focuses on the bigger picture. And during this program, I really invite you to think deeply sometimes and do some serious self-reflection, because that is important if you want to make positive changes. If you sign up, you get unlimited access to the course materials for as long as you like. So you have the option of going at your own pace as well if you're really busy, or just rereading some of your favorite lessons again and again whenever you like. So even if life happens or something makes you take a break, you can always pick it up again later. I am incredibly excited about this course. It's something that I've worked really hard on, and I've poured all my experience and knowledge into it, so I know that it can help you to create a life that you're in love with. For more information, simply click the link in the description as well as the top comment. And if you have any questions for me, any at all, please feel free to share them in the comment section so I can answer them there. You can also email me directly at courses@simplehappyzen.com. I would love to talk to you, and I would love to see you again next week for my new video. Bye bye!